touching wide of the post. Inside left position, ball breaking to Milan to try and bend into that far corner. It's over his shoulder inches, poor clearance, just can't quite settle the ball, it's still bouncing when he takes the strike on. So frustrated. He hit it well. Here's Morgan gives White. He's a good spot there, O'Shea. He's got out of it, but at the expense of a corner. Making crossfield pass, O'Shea gets caught underneath and turning his body the wrong way, and as a result loses the flight of the ball. Just manages to pick it up late on just to give the corner away. Substitutions on both sides now. It's whether or not the information was given. I'm sure it was given, but was it received by the players in terms of who's supposed to be marking who? True. That's uncomfortable. Taylor running after Gates. Elanga trying to put it right into the mix, but it tracks away from Marino, and it's going to be a goal kick to Ipswich Town. Ipswich going through the divisions, of course, becoming only the 5th side to reach the Premier League following successive promotions. When sides go from the Championship to the Premier League these days, they're generally just trying to survive the experience. Back in 1978, Nottingham Forest went up and then won the top flight at the first attempt. It's quite tough, of course. Amazing when you look back at those type of results. It's just an incredible achievement. Ipswich came up in around 2000. They finished 5th that season. In fact, George Burley got into Europe themselves, and then unfortunately Rally hit the next season relegated. But just shows you what an achievement that was by Brian Clough's Forest team. Yeah. Here's Nico Williams. Morgan gives White. He knew the clock was ticking on this first period of extra time. In his head, that was heading for the top corner. In reality, heading for the Ipswich Town fans behind the goal. That is the end of the first period of extra time. And we are still at Nottingham Forest 1, Ipswich Town 1. So Gary Breen, who is going to provide the little bit of genius or make the error? That's the difficulty, isn't it, in your head?
Chill up.
One little mistake now, that's the pressure. One little mistake could lose you the time. And the second period of extra time is always the one where the tension is heightened. You feel one mistake or one moment of brilliance. And of course the quality is on for both teams.
Mr. Brown, they collaborate now.
Even looking at Melbourne gives White, anytime he gets on the ball, it really seems to raise the tempo of their forward play. McKenna must be saying to the players, believe, there's an opportunity here for us. He talked about the fact he was frustrated. It was a Monday night game leading to the Premier League. I think all that talk of Premier League football, he had to win the night because the ball